We all get broken, we all get torn. In every love there's something worn, but in the cracks the light comes through. The art of repair is what we do. We fix, we heal, we try again. It's in the mending where love begins. The scars we show, the wounds we share. It's in the healing we repair. The art of repair, it's in our hands. We mend the breaks, we make new plans. In every hurt, in every tear, we find the love we know is there. To love is fragile, to love is bold, but in the breaks there's gold to hold. We don't discard, we find the glue. The art of repair is how we grew. In every fight, in every fall, we rise again, we stand so tall. Love's not perfect, but it's the care that shows the beauty in repair. The art of repair, it's in our hands. We mend the breaks, we make new plans. In every hurt, in every tear, we find the love we know is there. The art of repair, it's in our hands. We mend the breaks, we make new plans. In every hurt, in every tear, we find the love we know is there.